family. Hi, hope you're doing good. Now today I'm making moong split dal for you. Now I'm gonna boiling it in pressure cooker, putting some salt, see, namak, and some turmeric. Now I'm gonna close the lid of the pressure cooker. Here we go for 2 whistles. Okay. Now I close the lid and wait for 2 whistles. Here we go. Make tarka for the yellow dal using garlic, cumin seeds, hing and ghee chur, and lastly garnish with coriander. Okay. Put the ghee in the karai and adding hing, cumin seeds, garlic, to make the tarka. Now adding moong dal in it. Here we go. Tarka is ready. Here we go. Moong dal is ready to serve. Serve it with hot and soft rice. Till then, bye. Take care.